Hello everyone, today we'll do the expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when we introduce a dielectric slab. Of a dielectric slab. So, consider a capacitor of plate area A and separation D, that is the separation between the plates and the separation D. So, we have a capacitor, that is this. The plate area is A and the distance between the plates is D. So we know that the electric field will be towards this direction. Now we'll introduce a dielectric slab between the plates of the capacitor. The dielectric constant is K. Dielectric constant K and thickness of the dielectric slab is T. So this is the dielectric slab that we have introduced. Positive on this side and negative on this side, and the thickness is T as we have assumed it. And we have also assumed let T naught be the electric field between the plates of the capacitor. So now the electric field inside the plates of the capacitor will be towards this direction, that is EP. And we have E naught in this direction. So the electric field inside the dielectric slab will be equal to E naught minus EP, which will be equal to E naught by K. Now, deriving the formula, we have electric field inside the dielectric. That is, E is equals to E naught minus EP, which is equals to E naught by K. So, the electric potential will be E naught into D minus T, that is this distance and this distance together, and E naught by K into T, the electric potential for both the parts. So we can take E naught common, we'll get D minus T plus T plus K. We can write E naught as sigma by epsilon naught D minus T plus T plus K. So we get V is equal to Q by A epsilon naught D minus T plus T plus K. As we know, sigma is equals to Q by A, the surface charge density. This is the surface charge density, and we know the area of the plate is A. Now we can write it as Q by V is equal to E naught by A upon D minus T plus K. We have simply taken V to this side and A E naught and D minus T plus T to the other side. So now we know this is equal to C, the capacitance. So we get the final answer, that is C is equals to E naught A upon D minus T plus T by K. This is the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when we introduce a dielectric slab. We also have a special case for the same. Special case, if D is equal to K, then we get C is equals to E naught A upon D minus T plus D by K. Sorry, if we have D is equals to T, if the thickness of the main parallel plate capacitor is equal to the thickness of the dielectric slab, so then we get C is equals to, we'll write it again. If D is equals to T, then we get C is equals to E naught A D minus D plus K. So we get A K E naught by D. So this is the answer. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.